Namaste student, how are you? I hope you are fine and safe. You might think why ma'am wishes namaste? Think about it. Why? In last 3 months, many things are getting changed due to coronavirus and namaste is one of them. In this crucial time, everyone be responsible to keep own self safe and healthy. Everyone should be follow the guideline of health ministry. Now we talk about your study and school. Due to lockdown, your school will delay, but not your study. So, the teachers of Sandipni Vidya Mandir brings your classroom at your home. So, let's start study with us. Welcome to my class 6 Geography. Chapter 1st, the Earth in Solar System. Have you ever seen in the sky? Have you noticed that different in the daytime sky and night sky? If you notice after sunset sky, you able to see the whole sky is filled with the tiny shining object. Some are bright and some are dim. Some are twinkling. Along those bright objects, you may also see the moon on the most of days. It may, however, appears different times in different shape. All the objects that we see in the sky is sun, moon, all those objects shining in the sky are called a celestial body. Celestial body have two types. One is the that own lights and heat. One is the without own light and own heat. Our sun is also a star. All the stars belong to the galaxy and galaxies are belong to the universe. Universe which originated around 13.7 billion years ago consists of countless galaxies. Galaxy. Galaxy, if we say about the galaxy, it is the group of stars uh, are group of countless stars. Galaxies are sprawling space system composed of dust, gas and countless stars. Star, Stars are made of hot gases and it emit light and heat. The sun is also a star. It is the nearest star to our earth. It is the center of solar system. It is the spinning ball of very hot gas. Now we talk about the solar system. The sun and 8 planets, satellite and some other celestial body like asteroid, meteoroid form a solar system. We often call it solar family. In here, solar system group of 8 planets. The word planet come from Greek word planetai. It means wanderer. The sun is the center of this solar system or head of the family. This is the huge star and the nearest star to the earth. It provides pulling force that bind the solar system. Sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. There are 8 planets in the solar system. In order to their distance from Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All 8 planets of solar system moves around the Sun in a fixed path. These are called orbit. Now we talk about the some fact about the planet. First, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun. Venus is the considered is the Earth twins. Jupiter is the largest planet. All the planets are spherical in shape. Mars is called the red planet. All planets revolve around the Sun in elliptical path called orbit. Before the August 2006, Pluto was also considered as a planet, but now Pluto considered as a dwarf planet. According to new definition of planet, it removed from the category of planet. Now we talk about the Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to Sun. In size, it is the fifth largest planet. Its shape is described as geoid. It is the slightly flattered at the pole. Life supporting Life supporting conditions are probably found only on the Earth. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It has water and air which are very essential for our survival. Because of these reasons, the Earth is unique planet in the solar system. Now we talk about Moon. The Moon is the only natural satellite of our Earth. The Moon is only natural satellite of our Earth. Satellite means a type of celestial body that moves around the planet in the same way as the planet moves around the Sun. Diameter of Moon is 1/4 that of the Earth. It appears so big because it is near to our Earth planet than other celestial body. The Moon moves around the Earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same to complete one spin. It has neither water nor air. And you know how many days Earth take to complete one revolution to the Sun? Apart from the star, planet and satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies which moves around the Sun. These are also the part of our solar system. It known as asteroid. It found in the orbit between Mars and Jupiter. If so, what is the asteroid? The tiny objects are celestial bodies that found or orbit between Mars and Jupiter that moves around the Sun are known as asteroids. There are about 40,000 known asteroids and Sirius is the largest of them. And other celestial body are comets. It is a icy rock rock of ice that grow tails as they approach the sun. In Hindi, it called Dhoomketu. And other celestial body are meteoroids. They are small pieces of rocks which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes is sometimes meteoroids come on atmosphere of the earth and start to burn out.